13,000 COVID cases in the last 24 hours. The number of deaths reported were 23. The active caseload has now risen over 68,000, while the positivity rate has inched closer to 3%. Right now, the COVID positivity rate stands at 2.73%. Now, among the metro cities, Delhi has logged nearly 1,800 fresh cases, while Mumbai reported more than 2,200 COVID cases. Let's go across to Shivani, who's joining us for more of this. Shivani, the metropolitan cities particularly are reporting a steady uptick in cases. Is the government concerned about this? What's the plan?
Well, definitely talking about this particular rising cases here, especially in Mumbai and Maharashtra, which has seen already two peak phases of COVID. In fact, a few days back, we saw that how Health Ministry had conducted a meeting with task force doctors, and in fact, it was meeting that was attended by CM Uddhav Thackeray as well. And they said that within 15 days of time, they are going to conduct another meeting where they will be reviewing the situation over there, and then new guidelines will be uplifted or will be imposed for the people. But what we are seeing right now that there are no fresh meetings, those are taking place even if the cases are rising. And last time, what I remember when we spoke about the rising cases with Health Minister Rajesh Tope, he said that people should come out in public places with wearing their mask. Double mask shall be used by people if the cases are rising. But yes, Maharashtra has already seen 60,000, 80,000 plus cases in a day of time when the COVID was at peak in last year. So definitely the Maharashtra is all set and is ready and prepared if the cases continue to rise, and they have all their medical staff and equipments and COVID centers prepared. Though they are non-functional at the moment of time, there are few big COVID centers. Those are non-functional due to the low cases in the past of time. But they say that if the cases continue and if the patients will rise and they will need hospitalization, then of course they will resume the formation of those COVID centers. And definitely the third booster dose is what the government will be focusing on. But at the moment of time, only a verbal request has come that people should start wearing up masks, because the positivity rate is also increasing, and every day we are seeing at least 500 to 700 cases addition is what Mumbai and Maharashtra itself is reporting. And definitely the task force here also say that the numbers are also increasing, but simultaneously, fortunately, the patients are not that serious. They do not have serious symptoms. It's very mild symptoms that the patients are facing, and they are recovering as well very fast. And that is what they are concerned, that people should not get any serious symptoms, just like the shortage of oxygen that we have seen in the past, that people died due to that, and that thing should not get repeated. And that is why the refunctioning of COVID centers will be starting. But as of now, no fresh guidelines are issued. Definitely we'll see at the month end of June, there will be meetings with task force doctors, with health minister, and then we'll see if the cases will rise till the month end during the rainy season especially. Then of course we'll see new guidelines to be issued for the people, and mask wearing will be made compulsory in Mumbai, Maharashtra once again.
All right, Shivani, we leave it there. Thanks very much for joining us with those details.